Bad man.
Alright guys, Bernal Technology is right here at Ikeja, Lagos, where our client contacted us to come install our aluminium roller shutter at the entrance of their garage. We are about to start the installation. At the end of this installation, with the push of a remote button, the garage door goes up and down. So join us as we carry out this installation. Thank you. So guys, some few hours ago, Bernal Technology started the installation of our automatic aluminium roller shutter garage door on this space. The installation has been completed. This door is powered by our Bernal Pro 600 DC 24 volt machine, and like you already know, when you press the remote, it comes down.
Come back and fall another day. Cause me and all my fellas and my people want to play. Nobody really care what I hate I got to say.
As you can see, it goes down. You press another remote button, it goes back up.
Nobody worry, nobody.
It goes up fully. You don't have any need to worry about power failure because our Bernal Pro DC 600 kg machine is equipped with a backup battery, such that when there is no power, the backup battery takes over. Don't forget, this job was done by Bernal Technologies. We installed elevators, escalators, access control, roller shutters, automatic doors and gates. If you have any jobs like this and more, contact us today.